Hey, my name is Becky, and I just want to give Dan Havey a huge shout out for helping me with a tech issue. He set up a Zoom call very quickly with me and was able to help me relocate a funnel that I had thought was gone. Long story short, I had had a third party help me before I had been in contact with Dan, and they had accidentally deleted a funnel step of mine and archived the funnel. Ultimately, I don't know exactly what happened with that, but I was able to have Dan help me relocate it and assure me that in the future he'd be able to help me set up all of my ClickFunnels backend things like setting up the hosting, setting up the Cloudflare, setting up domains, and making it all work correctly. He knows exactly what he's talking about, which is not what I can say for the 3 other people I had that tried to help me. All of those 3 people said that they could do what I had asked them to do, which is what I had asked Dan to do, was ultimately connect all of the back end things to a URL that I had had. And unfortunately, all 3 of those people failed, but Dan didn't. And I'm so thankful that even though the outcome of my website was that I had to rebuild the page, it is so great to know that I finally have someone that I can call and connect with when I do have technical issues with ClickFunnels. He knows everything around the coding and JavaScript and all that type of stuff, and he confidently displayed that to me in our conversation. He's also very easy to talk to and relatable, and I'm so thankful again that I found him. Dan is the man when it comes to all this stuff, so I hope that you try to, if you try to use this on your own, you'll be able to use his free resources, but if you'd rather not do that and hire him to do it, you have found the right person.